POV explained in 3 minutes. What does POV mean? You've probably seen POV all over TikTok, YouTube, or memes, but half the time, it doesn't even seem to make sense. So, what does POV actually mean? And why is everyone using it? POV is one of the most popular terms on the internet right now, but it's often misunderstood or used incorrectly. In this video, POV Explained, I'll break down what POV really means, how it's used, and why it became so popular online. What POV means? POV stands for point of view. It refers to the perspective from which something is seen or experienced. Originally, POV was used in aufrexi, movies, books, storytelling. It describes who is seeing the situation, whether it's first person, third person, or another perspective. POV in social media. On platforms like TikTok and YouTube, POV has taken on a slightly different meaning. Creators use POV to place you, the viewer, inside a scenario. For example, POV, you just walked into class late. POV, you meet your future self. The idea is that the video makes you feel like you are part of the moment. Why POV is sometimes used wrong. Here's where it gets confusing. Many people use POV incorrectly. For example, saying POV, but showing something you're watching, not experiencing, using it more like a caption than an actual perspective. Even when it's technically wrong, it still works because people understand the intended feeling or scenario. Types of POV. There are a few common types of POV. First-person POV. You see through someone's eyes. Third-person POV. You observe someone else. Roleplay POV. Common online, puts you in a specific situation. Social media mostly uses POV as a roleplay or immersive perspective tool. Why POV became so popular? POV blew up because it's relatable, puts viewers in familiar situations, engaging, makes content feel personal, creative, allows storytelling in short videos. It's a simple format that grabs attention instantly. In short, POV means point of view, the perspective from which a situation is experienced, often used online to place the viewer inside the moment. If you want examples of viral POV ideas you can use for your own content, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple breakdowns of trending terms and concepts.